So now you're watching not only the gold from the customer's rings, but a little extra melted in to the crucible. And a little borax was thrown in to help with the melt and the flow and the deoxidation. So we begin to melt the gold, and at the same time we need to be heating up the mold.